Hi, I am Prabha, EC Department from SNS College of Technology. I am going to discuss a case study on why fiber optic cables are preferred over copper cables in telecommunication industry for long distance and high bandwidth communication. So now the question is, fiber cables or copper cables for long distance, high bandwidth, high speed transmission. When we are building a network, we require long distances, high speed and heavy bandwidth connections. There is no question fiber optic cables win the day. To understand why and where copper cables may still be the best solution, it is important to understand the difference between the two. Both both cable types transmit data, but in different ways. Copper carries electrical pulses along its metal strands, whereas the fiber optics carry pulses of light along flexible glass threads. So, we are going to discuss the reason one by one. So, the first reason, fiber optic transmission is faster. We know the standard way to measure data transmission rate is its bandwidth. These days, it is measured in gigabits of data per second, that is Gbps, or even terabits per second, Tbps. Copper based transmissions currently maximum out of 40 Gbps, whereas fiber optic can carry data at a close to the speed of light. Because of this reason, we can easily transmit data through fiber optics in terms of hundreds of terabits per second. So this is the first reason. The second reason is fiber optic transmission can cover longer distances. Both copper and fiber based signaling suffers from attenuation or weakening of the waveform signal over distances. However, fiber optic cables can transmit data over much longer distances. In fact, the differences are vast. Copper cables are limited to 100 meters, that is approximately 330 feet per governing standards. But if we talk about fiber optic cabling, it can transmit data over 24 miles. And this is the second reason. And the third reason, fiber optic cables are impervious to electromagnetic interference, that is EMI. The electrical signaling in a copper network connection generates a field of interference around the cables. So this may lead to crosstalk, and this will force expensive retransmission of the message or even pose security risks. So, but in fiber optic cable, we know the light transmission occurs and it will not generate any electromagnetic interference. So, we compare copper cable and fiber optic cable. Fiber cables are more secure and requires less retransmission, ultimately leading toward a stronger ROI. And the fourth reason we see the fiber optic cables save space and also enhance cable management. Fiber optic strands are extremely narrow. In fact, they are measured in microns or millions of meters. The most common fiber optic strand is same as the diameter as a human hair. If we use fiber optic cable, even though it has a protective sheathing, the thickness of the fiber optic may be up to 2 millimeters in width. But copper cable is 4 times the higher width than the fiber optic cable. So because of these reasons, the fiber optic cable's size will be reduction, and also for cable management is very easy. And the last reason, fiber optics are future proof. Every day the amount of data we consume increases because we are in the world of internet. So when the requirement increases in modern fiber optic cabling infrastructure, the fiber optic cable structure will allow us to operate at future speeds without replacing the cabling. But in the case of copper cabling, the future proof is not possible for when the distance increases, when the amount of data increases. So finally we go for comparison shortly. So during the comparison, we are going to take the characteristics and we compare for both copper cable and optical fiber cable. So the first characteristic is the mode of transmission. So while discussing mode of transmission, we know copper cable carries electrical pulses along its metal strands, but optical fiber carry pulses of light along its flexible glass threads. And second characteristic, data transmission rate. Copper cable data transmission rate is maximum at 40 gigabits per second, but optical fiber can transmit hundreds of terabits of data per second. And third characteristics, transmission distance. So transmission distance according to the standard, the length of the copper cable will be 100 meter for transmission, but optical fiber cable transmit up to 24 miles. And fourth one, electromagnetic interference. So electromagnetic interference will lead to crosstalk and insecurity problem in copper cable, and this will not happen in optical fiber, because in optical fiber the messages are transmitted in terms of pulses of light. And also we know the light pulses will not generate any electromagnetic interference. So these are, because of this reason, optical fibers are more secure. And so next one is retransmission. So in the retransmission characteristic, because of less security, copper cable need retransmission, but optical fiber cable is very secure and it requires less retransmission. And space reduction, we know copper cable is roughly 4 times compared to the width of the fiber optic cable, even though the fiber optic cable with sheathing, protective sheathing. And flexibility, the copper cable is less flexible, but fiber optic cable is more flexible. If we take future proof, the fiber optic cables are preferred. So these are the reasons why the fiber optic cables always preferred in IT industry for long distance high speed transmission when compared to this copper cables. Thank you.